Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 1. Our group is consists with 5 members, which are Sheng Hong, Izzati, Syuhada, Ayuni and Tengku Nur Ain. First of all, we go with the project description. Our group choosing a data from sample dataset that have in the Oracle Apex, which is countries. The objective to do this project is to increase the understanding of students, our group, in use of Oracle Apex application like how to build ERD and queries such as query statement, relational algebra, structure, query language SQL. For more specific, in the title of join, aggregate function, having and subqueries section. Okay, next we go to ERD. For this ERD, we are using about 15 countries from Sudan until Trinidad and Tobago. There are 5 tables. First, EBA countries consists of 1 primary key, country ID, and for foreign key, there are region ID, sub-region ID, intermediate region ID, and organization region ID. Other attributes are name, nationality, country code, ISO Alpha 2, capital, population, and area kilometer square. Second table is EBA country intermediate. Have 1 primary key, is ID, and 1 attribute is name. Third table is EBA country organization. Have 1 primary key, ID, and others attributes are code and name. In EBA country regions consists of 2 PK, ID and name. So with the EBA country sub-regions. First relation, not all from 15 countries have country intermediate. In table EBA countries, different IDs from EBA countries intermediate just mentioned once, and just a few of it. So relation EBA countries and EBA country intermediates 1-to-1, and it's optional for both table. Then every countries are organized by 1 country organization, but there should be look what organization that country under. Relation EBA countries and EBA countries organization is many to 1, but it's optional. In EBA countries, just need to mention 1 country's organization ID, but can be repeated for other countries, and some countries' organization ID are not mentioned because the country is not under that organization. Every country must have their 1 country regions because of there are many countries and just a few country region ID. There are repetition country region ID in the table country. So the relation is many to 1 and it's mandatory for both table. Other than that, every country sub-regions have a few countries under them. Every countries have 1 sub-regions and a few of them are under the same sub-regions. So the relation between EBA countries and EBA country sub-regions is many to 1 and it's optional for both table. A few sub-regions will not be mentioned because there's no country from that sub-regions in the table. Then the 5th relation, relation between EBA country regions and EBA country sub-regions are 1 to many and it's mandatory for both table. They have connection because of the PK name. The country region will be divided to a small region and it's called sub-region.
My name is Lailatul Nur Syuhada binti Razman. Next is aggregate function. Main aggregate function are count, sum, minimum, maximum and average. Then I will go to the first query, which is find minimum and maximum of population. So this is relational algebra based on the query. The SQL statement state is select minimum population as my mean, maximum population as my max from EBA underscore countries, and the result shown my mean and my max as attribute. My mean for population is 0 and my max population is 143,378,686. Secondly, the query question is how many number of country region of Europe. Then this is a relational algebra based on query. The suitable SQL is select count country ID as my count from EBA countries where region ID equal to 20, and the result will show my count as an attribute with 51 as a data. Thirdly is list number and name of country and the sum of their population where their nationality and with the letter S. The relational algebra is taken from query questions. Then SQL statement. Select country ID, name, nationality, sum population as my sum from EBA underscore countries where nationality like percentage as group by country ID, name, nationality, and this is result shown from query 3.
My name is Nurul Izzati binti Abdul Rahman and I will be presenting about join. So the query for this join is list the region with population more than 100 million, and the relational algebra stated is based on the question, the query. So the SQL statement for this query is select EBA underscore country underscore regions dot ID, EBA underscore country underscore regions dot name, EBA underscore countries dot population from EBA underscore country underscore regions in a join with EBA underscore countries on EBA underscore country underscore regions dot ID equals to EBA underscore countries dot region underscore ID where EBA underscore countries dot population more than 100 million. So the result as stated in the table beside, where it will list down all the countries and the region with the population more than 100 million. The second question for join is list the country that intermediates with Caribbean or Channel Islands. So the relational algebra that was stated is based on the query, and the SQL statement is select EBA underscore country underscore intermediate dot ID, EBA underscore country underscore intermediates dot name as intermediates underscore region, EBA underscore countries dot name from EBA underscore country underscore intermediates inner join with EBA underscore countries on EBA underscore country underscore intermediates dot ID equals to EBA underscore countries dot intermediate underscore region underscore ID where EBA underscore country underscore intermediates dot ID equals to 60 or EBA underscore country underscore intermediates dot ID equals to 70. So the result will be stated in a table like beside. It will list down all the countries, the intermediates with the ID 60 or 70, which is Caribbean or Channel Islands.
My name is Tengku Nur Ain Najia binti Tengku Mustafa. I will present about left join. The query that has been stated in left join is list country and name that have nationality along with any unmatched country. The SQL commands that has been used is select nationality from EBA underscore country underscore intermediate left join EBA underscore countries on EBA underscore country intermediate dot name equal to EBA underscore countries dot name order by nationality semicolon. The relational algebra is nationality, comma name in bracket EBA underscore country infinity symbol, and the result is shown like that. The next is right join. Right join is quite similar with left join, which the query is still the same, list country and name that have nationality along with any unmatched country, and the SQL command is select nationality from EBA underscore country underscore intermediate right joined EBA underscore countries on EBA underscore country underscore intermediates dot name equal to EBA underscore countries dot name order by nationality semicolon. Then the relation algebra is nationality, comma, name in bracket EBA underscore countries infinity. The result is shown like this. The next is having. The query that has been stated in having is find population more than 3 in capital. The SQL command that has been used is select count in bracket nationality, comma, capital from EBA underscore countries group by capital having count in bracket nationality more than 1 semicolon. The relational algebra is nationality, count in bracket nationality more than 1 bracket nationality, and the result is shown like.
Nama saya Lo Seng Hong. Saya nak present about subquery. A subquery is a query that appears inside another query statement. The query is list ID of country, name, nationality, and country code of Africa region country. The relational algebra is shown in the picture. The SQL statement is select country underscore ID, name, nationality, country underscore code from EBA underscore country where region underscore ID equal in bracket seller ID for EBA underscore country underscore region where name equal to Africa. The result is shown in the light. We have 4 attributes: country ID, name, nationality, and country code. Next, the second query is find name, nationality, capital, and population for code of NA. The relational algebra is shown as a picture. The SQL statement is select name, nationality, capital, population from EBA underscore country where organization underscore region underscore ID equal in bracket seller ID from EBA underscore country underscore organization where code equal to NA. The result is shown in the light. We also have 12 attributes: country ID, name, nationality, and country code. The country ID have 2, 5, 6, and 14. The name have United States or America and Canada. The nationality have American and Canadian. The country code have USA and CAN.
That's all from our group. Thank you for watching.